Back at it. Too loud. So now she is way quieter. Much better. Oh, now I can hear myself. I must be getting old. The loud exhaust just ain't cutting it for me anymore. Great guys though. They took care of everything. Sorted me out. I'm not even sure what muffler they put on. Well, I guess that ends the saga of the loud exhaust. So, decided to do something else. This will be before. So here's a better shot of the car. The problem is, it rained last night, so the car is dirty, and you know, black and... I'll just show you. A little bit of drama, but it's done. So thank you for watching. Short one, but thank you for watching. I'm out. Fog.